Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I want to talk about BHFO. This is a company that is developed by a woman, I think. It started from scratch basically. It actually says she started with one purchase or something, and then after like 13 years now they became a giant company earning like 45 million or 45 million in a year basically. So that's a huge improvement. Now let's see what are the strategies, some of the strategies they are following that actually help them to grow this fast. The first thing I learned from them is basically 30%, they say 30% of the sales are international. It means it's a huge number, like 30% mean it's a huge number compared to what is selling. So why it's important? Because most people don't do that. Like most people just want to they sell domestic and they don't try international thing. But if you just try one at a time, one country at a time, and going worldwide is a good idea. If you can get some, you have to just practice doing that. That's the thing. So that's what they're saying, that 30% of the sales are international. And the second thing they say is basically attending conferences. Like if you try to learn something by yourself, it's gonna just take 6 months. But they say if you attend conferences, it's gonna just take the same amount of time you're learning in 6 months. It's in 6 days, because when you attend conferences, you tend to meet new people like researchers and stuff, and you learn stuff quickly. That's the second thing they are mentioning. And the third thing is buying trends. I know it sounds simple and it sounds very normal thing that you already know, but we don't practice it. These people actually put in the work to find out the hot products and selling it. Put the homework to find out the hot products. That's one key things for the development of this company. And then branding in the title. If you look at every single product of theirs, you will not find a product that without BHFO. See, every single product has BHFO. They focus on branding their product. Every single title has BHFO. So that's another key stuff. Like you build a brand by branding. I think it actually make your customers remember you, or something unique about you that actually may help you to sell a lot of stuff. That I think so they focus on branding a lot. That's one of the key things we can learn from them. And the last thing, the fifth one is their sales is only 65% on eBay. So what they are doing is they are diversifying their platforms. Like they don't just rely on eBay. They go to other platforms and sell there as well. So that's another key thing we can learn, because I think you should just rely on eBay. Let's say eBay falls off for some reason, then you are going to be done. Like that's why you shouldn't put all the eggs in one basket, because if it fails, that's it. So they actually focus on diversifying their platform as well. They go on every platform and sell their products. That's the fifth thing we can learn from BHFO. And that's all I want to talk in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.